Olusola Oke, the consensus candidate of the Unity Forum of the APC in Ondo State, has denied any pact with Akeredolu. A governorship aspirant in the All Progressive Congress (APC) in Ondo State, Chief Olusola Oke, has denied entering any pact with Governor Oluwarotimi Akeredolu ahead of the party's primaries in July. Oke was last week adopted as a consensus aspirant of the Unity Forum, an APC group with a mandate to stop Governor Akeredolu from getting the party's ticket. Senator Ajayi Boniface, who was among Ondo APC chieftains who rejected Oke as Unity Forum consensus aspirant, said it was part of the plot to make Akeredolu get the party's ticket. Boniface alleged that the pact with Governor Akeredolu was that Oke would step down 1 week before APC primaries with a promise that Akeredolu will hand over to Oke in return. Oke, who spoke to the head of the Oke campaign organization, Mr. Rotimi Ogunleye, said there was no pact. There was no truth in the allegations by Senator Boniface. Oke said that the allegations were meant to denigrate his person, as only God had the power of the promise of the future. He said he was not a newcomer in the politics of Ondo State and Nigeria, having been a member of the House of Representatives and occupy executive and party positions, as well as chairman of several federal boards. According to him, Oke is a man of strong character with traceable history of loyalty to his commitment. He has never betrayed the struggle of his people ever since he joined politics. His words is his bond. Let it be known to the respected senator and unsuspecting public, therefore, that Chief Oke has no pact whatsoever with Governor Akeredolu. We consider it a gratuitous insult to impute such ungentlemanly conduct to our reverend adopted candidate, Chief Olusola Oke Sam, who the senator should have known has outgrown politics of biscuit and butter, fear and mischief. Chief Oke Campaign Organization, COCO, hereby advises the public, the Unity Forum leaders, and APC members in Ondo State to regard the statement by Professor Boniface as a mere political talk that has gone with the surge of that moment of rage. We shall continue on the path of genuine reconciliation with those who express decent opinions, and also wish to state unequivocally that we shall respect the leaders of APC, and we shall not waver in our commitment to the collective struggle of the Unity Forum. In the same vein, shall also not hesitate to point the attention of the masses to the direction of the truth whenever the need arises. A socio-political organization, the Unity and Peace Movement, UPM, has said that Mr. Isaac Kekemike remained the best candidate the APC should present for the September governorship election. This permutation, it said, was because of the Kekemike's political record. The founder of the organization, Pastor Sola Ogunade, addressing reporters in Akure, said Kekemike is a renowned politician who has been making effort to transform the